In alloy wheel repair, preparation is everything. It is the most critical step in the entire process because the quality of the final result is determined long before the paint or cutting begins. In this video, we show different wheels at various preparation stages to demonstrate the professional methods used depending on the type of damage. Different damage requires different preparation methods. Every wheel repair starts with a thorough inspection. We assess the type and severity of the damage before selecting the correct preparation method. When needed, the tire bead is safely released from the rim to allow full access to the damaged area. This creates the necessary clearance to properly repair edge damage and ensures the technician can work accurately without risking damage to the tire. For larger damaged areas, we use controlled media blasting to create a uniform surface in minutes. The blasting process quickly removes old paint, corrosion, and surface contamination, preparing the wheel for the next repair stage. Compared to manual sanding, this method is significantly faster and ensures a far more consistent surface across the entire repair area. It also reaches into small edges and contours that are difficult to prepare by hand. The result is a perfectly keyed surface that allows primer, paint, or machining processes to adhere correctly and deliver a long-lasting finish. For localized damage, targeted sanding using a DA sander ensures a smooth transition while preserving the original finish where possible. This controlled approach removes only the necessary material, allowing the repair area to blend seamlessly into the surrounding surface before refinishing. Before moving on to diamond cutting or painting, every wheel is carefully cleaned and degreased to remove dust, silicone, and contaminants. A perfectly clean surface ensures optimal finish quality or paint adhesion. Compressed air and professional cleaning agents are used to eliminate even the smallest particles left from sanding or blasting. This final preparation step is critical to prevent imperfections such as fisheyes, adhesion problems, or surface defects during the finishing process. Professional preparation is the foundation of a perfect repair.